So you've learned HTML and want to learn more client-side web development skills? Or perhaps you're looking for a gentle introduction into web programming. Maybe you'd like to go from designing static websites to more interactive sites. Perhaps you just want to learn what will be one of the most important programming languages for the immediate future. There is one language you can learn that will prepare you for the future of web development, and that language is JavaScript. This course, which is designed for those who already know some HTML, is designed to help you prepare for the challenge of developing client-side web applications. With this thorough look at the JavaScript language, you'll be ready to understand and tackle many of the tasks undertaken by web designers and developers worldwide. Whether you're looking to improve your web design and development job skills or job prospects, you'll find this course to be a helpful guide to client-side programming. Since all of the code runs in the browser, no special software is needed. You already have everything you need to start developing in JavaScript. Upon completing this course, you can fully expect to be able to write and understand JavaScript code that will allow you to make more interactive, interesting websites. This course will also prepare you to use popular JavaScript libraries like jQuery and Node.js. I'm Mark Lassoff from LearnToProgram.tv. I bring over 25 years of programming experience and 10 years of classroom instruction experience to this course. I've taught HTML, HTML5, and JavaScript at Fortune 500 companies such as Discover Card Services and high-tech corporations such as Symantec. I consider myself a teacher first and specialize in making complex material easy to understand even if you have no experience coding before. In addition, I'm a published author, editor, and have appeared in the media numerous times discussing programming, web, and mobile technologies. My course is designed to get you writing JavaScript as quickly as possible. I combine dozens of clear, concise video lectures with lab exercises and loads of code examples to provide a course experience that will get you coding immediately, competently, and with confidence. You'll have fun along the way, and don't forget I'm always available to assist you with any questions or problems that you have with the course material. So if you're ready to expand your web development skills, this is the course you need. Whether you're taking over your company website or improving your web development skills in hopes of a career change, this is the perfect course. I'll see you in class.